Long time. A big hello to all the viewers of Yearn to Learn. Did you miss me? What? No? That's rude. And if that's a yes, thank you, I missed you too. Actually, that's a song which I will come to in the later part of this video. So friends, in this video, I'm going to share with you back to school ideas, especially for pre-primary and early primary students. Teachers, since there is a learning gap, the students have not been to school for quite a long time, 1 year to 2 years in some districts. So now school has reopened at many of the places. So when little children would come back to school, first of all, we need to make that place very happy and where they can find some bonding, where they can find themselves at ease, because it's very difficult for them to come back to school and adjust themselves there. So first of all, we need to reinforce COVID appropriate behavior. That is, we need to give gentle reminders for wearing mask and simple hygiene that they should follow, like washing hands often. So these things we would reinforce as teachers. Besides, there should be signages and stickers in the classroom, in the corridors and place to place, to give them a gentle reminder of the expected COVID appropriate behavior. Now besides cap, what else? The atmosphere when they come to school should be very colorful and fun, so that they like staying there for long hours. So there has to be some theme that you can do, maybe in the classroom, some for example domestic animals themes, wild animal theme, or clouds and rainbow birds theme, or you can go with the seasons theme. Any theme you can take, some forest theme, anything that you feel would attract your children, but it has to be colorful. And by theme I mean the decor should be such, you can put up posters or some craft work related to it. The child would find these colors very attractive. Besides these things, you could arrange for swings with the periodic sanitization. Of course, a large number of students would be using it, so time to time sanitization is important, but swings should be made available to students. Or you can arrange for a magic show, a game corner, something where they can dance. So these are the things that you can do and arrange for children. And the main thing I said, I feel, and somebody said that music heals the soul. So I feel music is really helpful. So here is this song that I suggest you to take up with your students, and I hope they would enjoy singing that with you. So we'll start with, as I said, it is Did You Miss Me? So let's begin. There are 2-3 endings to it. I'll explain it to you. My throat is a bit bad, so please bear with me. I live in Delhi and here AQI is severe. So that's how I was not available for a long time. So this goes like, did you miss me? And the students would say, yes, I missed you. So this is how you'll teach them the response. One time you'll teach them, they'll be able to learn, and then you will reinforce it, right? Did you miss me? Yes, I missed you. Will you sing with me? Yes, I'll sing with you. So thus the question is by the teacher and the answer responses are given by the students. Once you will explain, they'll understand, they are very smart, and they'll enjoy singing this song with you. So let's start again and do sing with me. Did you miss me? Yes, I missed you. Will you sing with me? Yes, I'll sing with you. Will you dance with me? Yes, I'll dance with you. And this is how you can take up anything. Will you sit with me? Yes, I'll sit with you. Will you jump with me? Yes, I'll jump with you. And you can end it in any of the ways that I'm going to share with you. Will you laugh with me? Yes, I'll laugh with you. How? Ha 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 ha. You can all laugh together and they'll burst into laughter. So this is one way to end it. Or what you can do, you can take up counting. Will you count with me? Yes, I'll count with you. Let's count then. 1, 2, 3 and so on till 15, 20, 10, wherever you want to stop, you can stop. This is another way to end it. Or the third way is you can ask them, will you clap with me? Yes, I'll clap with you. Like that, you can clap together. Or you can take any of the crazy claps that I have suggested in my other video. So this is how you can end with claps. If you really want to watch about crazy claps, the link is flashing up the screen and also given in the description box below. So teachers, you are magicians, you are surrogate mothers to students, you can do the magic to children, and if you build that rapport with them, they'll feel at home, they'll love to come to school, and I really believe you can do that. So please do shower your love, I really need it. Like this video, share with your friends, and do give me comments. How do you like it? And in case you want answer to certain questions or you want me to present video on anything, you please mention in the comment box. If possible, I'll definitely come with it. Thank you. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.